friends, welcome to Code Generator. Myself Apurva. In this video, I am teaching about introduction to PHP. So, let's come to the introduction. PHP is a server scripting language and a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. So, PHP is widely used in free and efficient alternative to compensators such as Microsoft ASPs. You might have heard. And the latest version used is PHP 7. So, what is PHP? PHP is an acronym of PHP, that is Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is widely used and open source scripting language. PHP scripts are executed on the server side. So PHP is freely to download and easy to use. And PHP was invented by Ramshouse Leaderon and it was released in 1994. So what is PHP file? So this question, the answer is PHP files can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP code. PHP code also contains CSS, JavaScript and the result is written in the browser, same as HTML. I hope you all have used HTML. So in that same way, the PHP code is also resulted in that form. And PHP files are having the extension that is .php, that is in small cases. So next, what is PHP can do? What are all the things PHP can do? PHP can generate dynamic page content. PHP can create, open, read, write, delete, close files on the server side. PHP can collect form data and it can be stored in a database. PHP can send and receive cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in our databases as earlier said. PHP can also encrypt data. So with PHP, we are not limited to output HTML. You can output images, PDF files and even flash movies also. And any text such as HTML and XML. Next comes why PHP? Why should we use PHP? PHP runs in any various platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS X and etc. PHP is compatible with almost all servers used today, that is Apache and IIS etc. PHP supports wide range of databases. You might have heard about databases, that is SQL, MySQL, NoSQL and various. PHP is free. Download it from official PHP browsers, that is www.php.net. PHP is easy to learn and runs efficiently on the server side. Next comes to the basic PHP syntax. The PHP script can be placed anywhere in the document. A PHP script starts with bracket, question mark, PHP ends and also it ends with question mark, PHP semicolon. So the PHP while starting and ending, it should be in the smaller case and it has a default expansion that is .php. So I hope you all like this video. Do subscribe our channel and like it, and if you have any queries regarding it, please comment it in the comment section. Thank you once again.